Brise, USD exchanges close $0, which truly is very critical. Bitgert cost investigation, all things considered, in a real sense is negative today, truly, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Brise cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost graph, which is genuinely huge. 24-hour exchanging volume for Bitgert for the most part truly is drifting at $2,137,408, which truly is genuinely critical. The 22nd of May 2023. In this video we will walk you through Bitgert cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now and explicitly attempt to respond to these much of the time clarified some things. What generally is genuinely transient cost expectation for Bitgert, in every way that really matters, is Brise a wise interest in a very significant manner. Bitgert support in opposition levels and so on, or so they especially thought. Yet, prior to plunging most certainly profound into the Brise specialized examination, explicitly truly let us in a real sense discuss the especially current economic situations in an unobtrusive manner. Market investigation over the especially last 24 hours. There basically was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the very whole digital currency market to $1,122,112,304,788. The pretty truly complete exchanging volume generally remains at $22,757,277,610 in a sort of commonly significant manner. Bitcoin shares 46.29% of the entry market, while Ethereum most certainly has a strength of 16.33% in a very significant manner, which most certainly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,797.21 level after a decay of 0.42%. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum especially generally, has seen a cost increment of 0.12% coming to $1,813.92 during the past 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $308.52. Following a value change of 0.48% within a similar time span. Incredibly, XRP, the sort of local coin of XRP, is somewhere around 1.1 and presently exchanging at 46 cents. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which most certainly really is very critical, beautiful, as opposed to prevalent thinking. These occasions really show that the market generally is going in a descending course for reasonably extremely momentary in a significant manner. As of now, a sort of broad, for the most part regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market. What in every way that really matters is Bitgert, which is genuinely huge in an unobtrusive way. Bitgert sort of especially is a crypto designing task sent off in July 2021 that has some expertise in blockchain items and examining arrangements in an essentially genuinely enormous manner, which truly is genuinely huge. At first, Bitgert truly was based on BNB chain and utilized BNB, its truly local token, to truly pay rewards, which is genuinely critical. Anyway, one of the main Bitgert improvements sort of was introduced in 2022, the 20 Cruzado blockchain, in a very significant way. It sort of most certainly presents almost zero gas charges, and especially by and large high-velocity cross-chain exchanges, which basically, all things considered, is genuinely huge. All the more explicitly, the gas charge most certainly is $0 exchange, while the upheld throughput especially ultimately depends on 100,000 TPS, or so they thought, or so they by and large thought. The rundown of Bitgert items likewise incorporates review arrangements with list of competitors backing, Brise app wallet, Brise marking, Brise trade, and Bitgert scaffold in an extremely enormous way, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Bitgert explicitly offers an option to the well-known DEX stage pancake swap amazingly. Brise wallet app essentially is the very fundamental passage to the environment, permitting clients to safely send, get, store and trade different crypto resources. Brise explicitly is Bitgert's in every way that really matters. Local token, permitting financial backers to profit from marking and acquiring compensations in BUSD, which is very huge, which basically is genuinely critical. All truly savvy contracts on Brise chain highlight an especially buyback component in a truly significant manner in an unpretentious way. To explicitly in a real sense be all things considered, more exact, Bitgert coordinates 5% of each and every exchange charge for buyback, 3% for showcasing and 4% for marking rewards, which especially is very critical in a significant manner. As per the group, for the most part buyback truly in every practical sense is explicitly in a real sense intended to help the cost of Brise, essentially token, making it a deflationary resource in every way that really matters, exceptionally huge way, by and large, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Brise cases to fundamentally have a very genuine use case with turning into the worldwide installment framework and explicitly is applied as a shared administration in the Brise app wallet, which is genuinely huge. Consequently, purchasers and vendors especially basically interface straightforwardly, without the investment of an outsider, through the P2P administration, and exchanges are really done rapidly, safely, and with zero expenses. Who in a real sense are the pioneers behind Bitgert in a genuinely significant manner? The Bitgert project really began its excursion in the mid-year of 2021. The white paper demonstrates that the stage truly was sent off in July, which essentially is genuinely critical. This sort of whole time the dev group especially basically worked namelessly. Yet it truly was for the most part declared that they are wanting to really essentially uncover their personalities when the ideal opportunity in every practical sense arrives amazingly. Up until this point, no truly unambiguous cutoff times have been distributed. Yet one thing sort of stays certain: doxing the group ought to decidedly fundamentally in a real sense influence the task standing and the cost of Brise, since the move can for the most part prompt structured trust from the crypto local area and creating sort of more revenue among financial backers, which all things considered is very huge. Likewise, as per the group, temporarily and before the trade send-off, Bitgert will be enlisted as a lawful element, probably in the Cayman Islands in a kind of huge manner, which essentially is very critical. What certainly makes Bitgert special, which generally is very critical in an unobtrusive manner, Bitgert certainly utilizes a DEFI convention and really was sent on BNB chain, which is very critical. The quickly developing environment in a real sense covers regions actually genuinely. For example, DEFI, NFT, Web 3.0 and Metaverse, which generally especially is very critical in a significant manner. The Bitgert biological system presents the accompanying items. Bitgert chain is an EVM viable blockchain with gas expenses as low as $0 exchange. Brise app wallet with 20 cruzado divided by ERC20 divided by BEP20 support for Android and iOS, which is genuinely critical. The multi-money crypto wallet permits clients to send, get, store and trade different crypto resources in a truly free from even a hint of harm way. Brise trade especially truly is a quick and really modest in every practical sense. Decentralized trade fueled by BNB chain, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Brise trade positions itself as an option in contrast to the pancake swap stage, an especially decentralized trade for trading BEP20 tokens on BNB chain. Brise marking, or so they thought. The program permits Brise holders to stake their tokens and especially procure BUSD in remuneration. Review arrangements with list of competitors backing actually basically is answerable for security of the blockchain. Bitgert review especially explicitly involves in every practical sense, especially bleeding edge all things considered, simulated intelligence innovation and in every way that really matters. Manual code survey to truly safeguard shrewd agreements. Bitgert scaffold and in every way that really matters, huge way in a huge way. The item is still a work in progress. Nonetheless, sooner rather